Hi, everyone. Tanya Hertz here. So another way that you can put your business on the map is put your business on the map. Make sure that you register your business on Google Maps. It's not too hard to do. It's a pretty simple, straightforward thing to do to put your business on Google Maps. But remember, search engine optimization, that's like as simple as it can be. Google does give primacy to the businesses that are listed on their website. So make sure that your business is on their website. Make sure that you're both on Google Maps and you're also on Google My Business. Both of those are critically important if people are going to find you on Google, and people need to find you on Google. So we're going to do Google My Business as the deliverable for this week's assignment. And there's instructions on how to do that coming up. All right. So a few things that you need to know about sales. Remember, all we're talking about here is selling your business, selling yourself. Be honest, know your audience, know how much time you have, and get to the point when you're selling. Be prepared, have an outline, rehearse. So if you're selling at a market, if you're selling at an event, if you're selling wherever you're selling, be prepared and know that you're selling. Engage your customer. Don't ramble. It's good to talk about your products, and I mean, a little bit of bragging is expected. Be enthusiastic, but at the same time, don't be pushy. People like to be able to see, to smell, to hear. So the better or the higher. The more visually appealing and striking, the more it appeals to the senses, the better. And engage them. If they're not asking questions, that means that maybe something's not necessarily going right. Make sure that do as much as you can to reduce your costs. Schedule your sales interactions. So by that we mean treat every interaction with consumers as a potential sales interaction. Try to sell things that make you that have higher profit margins while still being ethical. Know your profit margins, know your mix of one unit, know how much each thing costs you to make. Always do everything you can to increase your brand awareness. Remember that anytime you have a chance to say your name in front of people who could potentially be your customers, say your name, show your logo, your slogan, your colors. Remember, it takes a minimum of 7 interactions before someone's going to remember your name. So that means 7 times you need to make your product or your company logo, your company name in front of them. That's why you have to constantly be posting, be promoting, be at different events, be everywhere. Make sure that people see you everywhere. Make sure that your slogan, your logo, your colors are on everything that you can give out. Employee and customer clothing, packaging materials, your signs, your slogans, any exhibit booth that you have. Make sure that the tablecloth has your logo on it. Make sure that your vehicle has your logo on it. Any cart you're pushing, any napkins you have, anything that you have, make sure that your logo, your slogan is on it, because that's your branding. That's getting that name in front of them as many times as possible so they remember. You can do it very inexpensive. You can put it on stickers, which can then go on bags or on napkins or on plates or on packaging. Stickers are very, very, very inexpensive. You can also take advantage of free resources, things like the Rec Innovation Lab. We have all of these materials for you to use, like our color laser printers and our color vinyl laser cutters, so that you can print your t-shirts, your company shirts, your giveaway shirts, your mugs, your USB chargers, whatever you're making to give away, and put your name on as many things as possible. Remember, it's a good idea to give those kind of handouts or giveaways because they're tangible, they're lasting in nature, and you have that personal interaction with the customers. Also, another thing to consider, because we haven't talked about this, and we've talked a lot about marketing, but we didn't talk anything about publicity, which is basically free or little or no cost marketing. So publicity could either be media, working with the media and getting free advertising through that media, or maybe doing something like a giveaway. Maybe you're doing a charity event where you donate the food, something like this. You need to, as much as possible, leverage publicity so that you can get a good reach, get your business in front of as many people as possible for little amount of money as possible. So it does require regular, consistent contact with news media. They tend to like Twitter. They also are on LinkedIn quite a bit, and you want to connect with them. It's a really important part, of the whole public relation, the whole marketing. If you have a small business, you need to get used to the fact that you need to do press releases, press pitches. You can email your press releases or or you can email to your media contacts regularly when you have, you can just do regular emails as part of your marketing campaign, or anytime you have like a noteworthy event, and then you email them, and then you email them updates. There's instructions on how to write a press release, how to take advantage of publicity. It's as an assignment. There's also a template here that you can use, and I actually connected the template here for you, and I also connected for you, let me move that out of the way, the press release assignment here with all of the press releases I wrote over. I think I gave you like a 4 or 5 year period of time where I was just of my press releases for the rec, and there's a link to that there. And so you can look and see. A lot of my press releases are very short, to the point, and I highly recommend that you write clear, short, to the point press releases or press announcements. And go back to the assignment here. And there is detailed instructions on how to do this, including that template that you can use. And we had a workshop the other day with Alexander Nguyen from KPBS, who gave a great workshop on writing press pitches. We also had another great workshop with Juan Sanchez and Steve Quist from KUSI. And all of them told you how to take advantage of the media to get free marketing. So I highly recommend that you do that. I hope that you guys do that. And then we're going to stop this here. And then final video is going to be on HR, the difference between independent contractors and paid employees. All right. Talk to you soon. See you at that last one.